Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be showing step by step traditional makeup look. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm using this micellar water to double cleanse my face. Though we won't be having any makeup from the previous day, but still there will be left out dirt and sweat. This step will ensure your face is clean before makeup. You can use toner in this step as well. Then next step, I'm using this L'Oreal essence and I'm making sure this product is nicely absorbed into my skin. It's kind of multi-purpose product. It just takes care of my skin nicely. It keeps my skin hydrated and at the same time it acts as a primer. So I really love using this essence. You can use serum in this step as well. Moving on, I'm using this foundation, taking very little product and I'm making sure it's blended nicely into my skin. So you need to take very little amount of product. A thin layer of foundation is good to go. Just make sure you blend your foundation nicely so that your base look more natural, flawless, and at the same time it will not be cracky, patchy or heavy. So take very good time in blending your foundation. Also not forgetting my neck because I'm wearing sari. Okay, I'm gonna be letting my foundation sit for some time and I'm moving on with the eye makeup. For that, first step is to fill in your eyebrows. I'm using this pencil to fill in my eyebrows. So first outline your eyebrows like this and then start filling in your eyebrows. Use any dark gray eyebrow pencil or dark brown eyebrow pencil. It's up to you. Just don't use black if you're a beginner because it will be very dark and stark and you won't be able to blend it later. So make sure you just use dark gray or dark brown. Then on top I use this creamy pencil to make my eyebrows look more snatched and defined, and then using spoolie to brush off any excess product. So now using same foundation to even out my eyelids. In this step you can use concealer or eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer, or if you don't have any you can just use your foundation and you'll be good to go. Then next step I'm using this Anastasia palette and taking this golden ochre shade and I'm just setting the foundation so that it helps my foundation not to crease. Then using this burnt orange shade which is called as Real Girl, I'm going to be placing it on my crease and I'm making sure it's blended nicely. Make sure there are no harsh lines left. Then to deepen my crease I'm going to be using this dark maroonish kind of a shade. It's called as Red Ochre. I'm going to be deepening my crease with that. So just place the color and blend nicely, and once you like the way it's looking then move on with your lid color. For that I'm using this warm taupe shade and I'm placing it all over my eyelids and then I'm making sure it's blended with my crease color. So that's all for the eye makeup. It's super simple, easy, yet it looks more elegant when you wear it. Then using concealer on my blemishes and dark circles and also cleaning up my eyebrows. I like using concealer which is near to my skin tone. I don't like using light concealers. If you like using, you can go ahead with that, but make sure you blend the concealer nicely. Take time in blending as I said before. So once I'm done blending the concealer, I like to set my full face with the compact. So I'm gonna be pressing the compact into my skin like this. So make sure you're pressing your compact into your skin and you're not dragging it. If you drag it, it just wears off your foundation and concealer and you don't want that. So press your compact or loose powder nicely into your skin. Using this blue kajal, I'm going to be applying it on my waterline and I'll be using a pencil brush to smudge the kajal on my lower lash line. So sometimes if you don't know what to do with your eye makeup, you can just use any colorful kajals or colorful eyeliners and you can just enhance your eye makeup with that. So I like using colorful kajals and yeah, once I'm done smudging my lower lash line, I'm gonna be curling my lashes and using this mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. So that concludes our eye makeup. Then moving on, I'm using this face palette from Faces Canada and I'm gonna be using that bronzer to bronze up my face. And you need to make sure you're blending your bronzer towards your hairline like this and you're not just making a straight line. So make sure you blend your bronzer or contour nicely so that it looks seamless. And then I'm gonna be using same blush from the palette and applying it on my cheeks, dragging it towards my cheekbones so that it looks more natural, and then making sure it's blended nicely with the beauty blender. Then for the highlighter, using same highlighter and highlighting my highest points, my brow bone, my inner corner. Also I applied highlighter in the C manner so that it looks more seamless and natural. So having such versatile all-in-one palette saves more time. So yeah, then to set my makeup, using this Faces Canada Ultime Pro setting spray and spritzing it all over my face, using beauty blender one last time to press this into my skin and make make sure the powder products are melted nicely, and also this step will ensure your makeup will last longer. So setting spray is must. Then for the last step, I'm using this nude lipstick from L'Oreal and I'm applying it all over my lips. And that concludes my traditional makeup look. You can definitely switch with your lip colors, eyeliner, kajal colors, and this makeup look will go with any outfit. And I hope you guys like this step-by-step procedure of explaining. If you want me to do more such videos, do comment down below. And with that, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.